How does that work, that if somebody has the association of a pure devotee for only a love of 1/11th of a second, that he attains all perfection?
He is so sincere. It's like dried wood immediately melts. And if it is moist, it doesn't.
So
it is the quality of the wood. One takes 300 years on 3 minutes. That's it. Dry from the material moist of contamination, he becomes immediately ignited and spiritual.
What is that drying process?
Drying process is, for many, many years, one has tried, for many, many lives, Bhavanam Janmanam, and he actually becomes a man of knowledge, he surrenders. Otherwise, he is not. This drying process may take 3 minutes or 3 million years.
But that knowledge that Krishna is everything, it becomes like Krishna's mercy.
Krishna's mercy is already there. But if you are not able to take it,
then you don't even have to hear from a self-realized soul. Simply by seeing him, you can become completely purified.
yes, both require. The matches must be also light and the wood must be also. Then there is fire. If one of them is defective, then it will. That's when you go to the fire, it becomes dry. But willfully we put again water. This nonsense business makes us late. And this process is already there, how to become dry. But instead of taking the process, we put water. Then how it will ignite? The rules and regulations is this drying process. But without following the rules and regulations, if you again become a victimized by Maya, then there is water. And again, dry it. This is going on. Watering and drying. Watering and drying. No straightforward process for drying. And that will help. But the difficulty is that we dry and again water.